Welcome to the New Zealand Coordinated Incident Management System, or CIMS. CIMS is all about teamwork and emergency management. It has been based on overseas models, updated and adapted for New Zealand conditions, and it's designed to manage all services which may be involved in an emergency situation. To be able to operate, we must understand the CIMS. It's simple. What we have done is put in place a structure for command, control and coordination of an emergency. It has been set up by emergency services in response to a need identified by emergency services and is already in use by some agencies. Those agencies include the Fire Service, Emergency Management and Civil Defence, the Department of Conservation, Local Government, Central Government, the Ambulance Service, the New Zealand Defence Force and the New Zealand Police. It includes everyone involved in an emergency situation, from tow truck drivers to helicopter pilots. The easiest way to learn about and understand CIMS is this manual. There are four major components to CIMS: control, planning intelligence, operations and logistics. Controlling an incident is the responsibility of the incident controller. This person will be from the lead agency. That means the agency which has statutory or agreed responsibility for the incident. For example, at a fire, the incident controller will be from the Fire Service. At a whale stranding, they would be from DOC. Planned events like parades could see a police incident controller, and so on. A fire will involve the Fire Service. It may also involve the police to close a road or direct traffic. The ambulance, local body authorities. If it's a bushfire, maybe DOC. All have their jobs to do. But who is in charge? Who is responsible? Who is accountable? With the Coordinated Incident Management System, it's obvious: the incident controller. Who decides on the incident controller? Initially, the incident controller will be the senior first responder at the scene. When more responders arrive, control will transfer on the basis of which agency has primary authority. When control moves from one agency to another, the outgoing incident controller will give the incoming incident controller a full briefing and notify all staff of the change. The incident controller has control of the incident and is responsible for the overall direction of response. There is a difference between control and command. Control operates horizontally across agencies, but command operates vertically within an agency. A police incident controller cannot tell fire service personnel what to do, but at an accident, the controller can task the fire service to free someone from a vehicle, then assist in clearing away debris. Once tasked, it is up to the senior fire service person to make sure those jobs get done. Control does not interfere with command structure. Planning intelligence, operations and logistics are functions which are important components to help the incident controller. In a simple incident, these functions may all be carried out by the incident controller, whereas at major incidents, there will be a manager in each section. Together with the incident controller, these people make up the incident management team. The operations function is responsible for carrying out the response activities. The operations manager coordinates the activities and has primary responsibility for receiving and implementing the Incident Action Plan, or IAP. The IAP will describe the objectives and strategies, ensure continuity of control operations, provide effective use of resources, and identify total anticipated resources. Once this is done, the operations manager is responsible for directing and coordinating all operations, requesting resources through the incident controller, and keeping the incident controller informed of the situation. The functions of this section include gathering, evaluating, then passing on information relating to the incident and resources. The planning intelligence section is also responsible for creating the incident action plan, liaising with technical specialists, and maintaining a log of activities. Logistics is responsible for providing facilities, materials, services, and resources, including personnel, in support of an incident and the responders. Note the terminology. Most of the terminology is the same as what we have used in the past, and the rest is very similar. Any new terminology must be used for uniformity and clear understanding amongst various agencies. In summary, CIMS is all about a simple structure for command, control, and coordination of an emergency. Any emergency, however large or small, involving just one agency or multi-agency operations. The structure is logical and easy to understand and revolves around the incident controller, who will be the one person responsible for the efficient management of the incident. CIMS provides a uniform standard for all services. It provides a standard for coordinating the efforts of agencies as they work towards the common goal of stabilizing an incident and protecting life, property, and the environment. A properly implemented coordinated incident management system will improve the efficiency and effectiveness of our services, be it at a flood, a fire, or a car crash. Overall responsibility falls on the shoulders of the incident controller. The controller will have the support of planning intelligence, operations, and logistics. Control operates horizontally across agencies, but command operates vertically within an agency. The best and easiest way to understand CIMS is this manual.